We're rebuilding a 7 Series. So a couple of days ago, a customer calls me and lets me know that his 7 Series got rear-ended. It was a hit and run while he was parked, and he's not sure what to do because he owes too much money on the car and it can't be a total loss or else he'll be upside down on it. So we came up with the solution with the game plan. We decided to take a budget for what it is that we need for the car and only spending that exact amount, try to do as much free stuff as we can, and it includes taking out the quarter panel, removing it completely, carefully removing all the modules so that we don't damage them, and see if we can make this car come back to life. We gotta get a new bumper, we gotta get a new trunk, and we also have to repair the windshield in the back. This is gonna be a pretty crazy project, but I'm excited to show you guys.
So, Henry's buddy decided he wanted to basically total out his 7 Series. I'm here to help him put it back together. I'm not a professional.
We're actually wide bodying this car, by the way. So one of the first things that we have to do is we have to turn on this car. It's been off for such a long time. BMWs have 2 batteries, one in the front and one in the back. The back one is the main battery that turns on all the functions on this car. So jumping it took forever, almost an hour. We had to use one of our dollies to just move it around so that we can properly jump it while we had a battery boost on it. So when the car came in, the quarter panel was crushed, pretty much pushed right inside, and it didn't allow us to get some of the components, that most of the modules that were hanging on that area, out correctly. So we decided we wanted to just pull it out, and the easiest way for us to do it was just to tie a chain to it, put it on a tree, and try to drive the car to get that aluminum piece at least wedged out enough so that we can get those modules and not damage them, because they're the most expensive thing on this car to fix.
Fun. I used to love doing shit, especially when it's not my car. Nice and easy. Hit the gas. Woo. Yo. Yeah, it's ripping. All right, bet, send it. If it snap back, drop me off to my nearest exit of my job and I'm gonna claim workers' comp. Oh, look at that. Yo, you're on to something. Keep going. Oh! Launch, that was a little launch control right there. Yo, bring it back. It is the winner. Go ahead, pull up.
We were just able to save these by being able to carefully remove them. I'm so ecstatic.
Pulled out at least a little bit of it to see kind of
just a tiny bit.
We have to do a little game plan. One thing I did notice is this, which I thought was good to make the job a little bit easier, turns out it's raised a little bit. You see right here, it's buckled? It's all gotta come out, bro. Because the way the harness is, the module sits on this side and then it wraps all the way around. So we gotta take apart stuff on that side too. Because look, the module loops all the way around, bro. Yo, do you have cutters so we can cut this out so I don't get like, you know.
Tetanus?
Yeah.
I got you. Kick it.
It go back to side to side.
That. The 7 Series battery died and we couldn't get it to turn back on. So we ordered a new battery, but the car still wasn't turning on. We ended up getting a tow truck to come pick it up because we have the quarter panel being replaced at a body shop that we work with, so that when it comes back, all we have to do is just wrap it and make it look nice. Wrapping it's definitely gonna be the cheaper way because thankfully we own a wrap shop and this is what we do here at Project One Designs.